Hello. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to the channel. And really excited today. The video that you're going to see is about the service that I recently did with my car. That service is not like a scheduled service or like a mandatory service, but it's just like a maintenance service that I did. Really important for the BMWs. It's the transmission service. So what all is included in the transmission service? So it's done after like 150,000 kilometers, and it includes changing the transmission pan and flushing all the transmission fluid and putting in new fluid. I went with not my regular mechanic, but I found a mechanic through Alex. You'll be meeting Alex soon in the next video, which is another exciting one. So this Will guy is pretty experienced. He's been working on BMW since past 9 years, and is from China. And I will be showing you his shop as well. Along with that, the parts that I used, they are all genuine BMW parts. He also had like an amazing shop. Not many cars in there, but there was a BMW race car in there that he was working on, and he had a BMW engine and a transmission, so he knows his stuff pretty well. That's why I chose him. Along with that, I also did a coolant flush, which was needed. In my last service, my mechanic told me that a coolant flush is needed for my car, and yeah, I'll show you the coolant as well, which we used. Pretty nifty stuff. And as I said, like, buying these cars is easy, maintaining it is difficult. After showing you the parts and his shops, I'll also show you and tell you about the cost that is involved in doing this service. How much did I spend? Yeah, so watch out. So this is the used transmission fluid which came out of my car. It looks pretty dirty, and Will also told me that the coolant was pretty low and it was mainly water, so it really did need a change. So hope you liked what you saw. I couldn't show you him doing the service because he was not very comfortable me filming while he was performing that service, and that's completely reasonable. Wanted him to focus, not to mess with my car, and that's why I left him to his space. So how much did it cost? So both these things that I did, the transmission service and the coolant flush, costed me with the parts, fluids and labor 1100 Australian dollars. Now you can say that it is expensive, and it is, no doubt about it, but this is a very important service to do, and I had option to do it for cheaper, where the pans and fluids would not be OEM, but they would have been decent ones. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do things right because I'm planning to keep this car, as I told before, for a while, at least 3-4 years. And this is a service that you do just once. Like, I don't need to do the transmission service again. So it was really important to use the right parts. And his labor was not that expensive. Like, in other mechanic shops, I was able to find mechanics who were doing the same service for both these things included around $700-800. But again, the parts were not genuine, so I didn't go with them. And later on in the series, I'll also be telling you the 1-year ownership cost of my BMW. So I would be completing that ownership of 1 year in June. So maybe I'll do it a few months before that, or tell you what's it like owning a luxury car in Australia, how much did I buy it for, what all work did I do, and yeah, overall, if I think about it, it is a pretty decent number. Not really keen on writing all those things down, but I think that would be really useful for everybody, for you guys especially. And yeah, I really hope you like this video. This was not like a conventional video, no beauty shots and things in this, but it is what it is. It is a ownership experience. I want to show everything to you guys. What's a service like? What all is included in owning a BMW in Australia. So that's part of it. I really hope you like the video, and subscribe for much more exciting content coming. The next video is another exciting one. The interior of my BMW will be completely revamped. The parts are already in there. I'll maybe show a glimpse of it at the end of this video. But stay tuned, exciting content coming. Bella to Sinister Bella is happening. Currently, as I'm sitting here, I dropped off my car to get wrapped, and the wrapping video would also be there soon. And I'm telling you guys, man, this is going to completely transform Bella, and Sinister Bella is coming soon. So stay tuned. Excited, really excited to share this with you guys, and hope you like my content and share it with all your friends, all your car enthusiast friends and not car enthusiast friends who can become one. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.